How to sign up on PayPal without phone number. Go to the official PayPal website by typing www.paypal.com in your web browser. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Choose the type of account you want, usually personal for everyday use, and then click get started. Enter your valid email address and create a strong and secure password. When prompted for a phone number, see if you have the option to skip this step. If so, proceed without entering a number. If the phone number is required, use a virtual phone number service such as Google Voice or a disposable number provider to receive the verification code. Enter the received verification code to confirm your number and continue with the registration. Complete your profile by adding your name, address, and other requested information. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox from PayPal to activate your account. Optionally, link your bank account or credit card to start transacting with your PayPal account. If PayPal requests a phone number later, try logging in from the same device or use a virtual number service again to verify. Subscribe.